The graph shows worldwide snowmobile sales from 2000 through 2015, where x equals 0 represents 2000, x equals 1 represents 2001, and so on. Use the graph to work the problem. The graph shows worldwide snowmobile sales, where the x-axis is the year from 0 to 16 in increments of 2. The y-axis is sales in thousands from 0 to 250 in increments of 50, and we see the points 0, 209, and 15, 151 are connected with a straight line. Use the equation y equals negative 3.9x plus 209 to approximate worldwide snowmobile sales in the year 2010. Recall that x equals 0 represents the year 2000, x equals 1 represents 2001, and so on. Therefore, we can use the equation and let x equals 10 for the year 2010 and solve for y. So we have y equals negative 3.9 times 10 plus 209. Simplifying, we have y equals negative 39 plus 209, or y equals 170. This tells us that in 2010, according to the model that we're given, the approximate worldwide snowmobile sales was 170,000.